In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Read More button in Wix. This is a really handy feature if you have longer pieces of text on your site and you want to keep your pages clean and easy to scan, while still giving visitors the option to dive deeper if they're interested. First, log into your Wix account as you normally would. Once you're in your dashboard, look over to the left-hand side and make sure you're in the Setup area or the main site dashboard view. From there, look to the top right corner for the Edit Site button. Click that, and your website will open in the Wix editor. This is where you can visually design and customize every part of your site. Inside the editor, focus on the left-hand toolbar. You'll see a plus icon, which is where you can add new elements to your page. Click that plus icon, and a panel will slide open, showing you different categories of elements you can add, such as text, images, and of course, buttons. Go ahead and select the buttons category. Wix already provides preset styles, including buttons that are specifically labeled as Read More. Choose the style that fits your design and click it. The button will be added to your page, usually somewhere in the center. Once the button appears, you can click and drag it to position it exactly where you want it. For example, place it just below a paragraph or section of text that you want to expand on. Take a moment to align it with your layout so it feels natural and consistent with the rest of your design. With the button selected, you'll see a small floating toolbar near it. Click on Settings. A small pop-up will appear, and this is where you control what the button says and what happens when someone clicks it. You can edit the button text from something generic to something more descriptive, like Read More or Learn More. Next, click Choose a Link. Another pop-up will open, showing all the places your button can link to. You can set it to do nothing, link to another page on your site, go to a web address, jump to a specific section or anchor on the same page, scroll to the top or bottom, open a document, start an email, dial a phone number, or open a pop-up. For example, if you choose Page, you'll then select which page it should open, and you'll see additional settings depending on that choice, like how the page opens or which category or post it should display. Once you're happy with your settings, click Done, and that's it. You've successfully added and configured a Read More button in Wix.